The Equipmed Smartline wheelchair offers the perfect combination of safety, durability and comfort. Crafted with a high-quality powder-coated aluminium frame, the wheelchair is sturdy and built to last, and provides you with the confidence to enjoy the outdoors. The footrests swing away for easy access. You can self-propel this wheelchair, and the tall backrest provides excellent support. Puncture-proof rear wheels roll smoothly over the bumps. Handbrakes make it easy for an assistant to regulate speed when going down hills. And easy-to-activate park brakes ensure safety when stationary. The armrests are padded for maximum comfort, and the backrest pouch offers a convenient storage option. When you're done, the 2-second folding action makes it very easy to transport and store. The Equipmed Smartline has everything you need, whether you require assistance or want independence. Experience the freedom you deserve with Equipmed.